Hello everyone, I'm José Ferreira and I'm going to be presenting Let's Learn Biodiversity with a Virtual Robot. The world has been changing in the past years due to natural disasters and human intervention, and it's important to raise biodiversity awareness, especially in young children. Recurring to pedagogical approaches with technology might be the best way to help prevent biodiversity further losses. The goal of this project is to understand how children's previous knowledge influences the way how they see local biodiversity with the help of a virtual agent. Our main research questions focus on analyzing if older children, when compared to younger ones, will be able to correctly identify elements of local biodiversity, as well as if they will perform fewer misconceptions about biodiversity. We also expect to see if children will prioritize scenarios on their drawings that are more nature-related than man-made ones. We develop a mixed method approach with an observational study with children from primary education at Madeira Island in south of Portugal. We requested to those children to use Madeira Biodiversity tool during the study. The tool was split into 3 stages, and in all stages we have a virtual robot narrating all the steps needed for children in order for them to understand what they had to do. On the first step, children were exposed to local flora and fauna from Madeira Island. Secondly, they were requested to make a drawing that represented their view of their local wildlife, and finally they answer a brief questionnaire. From a previous study, we have identified some problems with children's placement of elements in their drawings. This way, we created a classification system that is able to identify those misconceptions and relate them to the location, more precisely air, ground, nature, and water. We have also created a categorization of the level of children's knowledge based on the answers to the animals and plants that they have seen in the application. We were able to understand that older children are able to classify correctly more elements from biodiversity, but children from 4th year do more misconceptions than children from lower years. And on general, we saw that children's drawings exhibit more nature-based scenarios than human-made ones. Overall, we are able to see that virtual agents can be used to create awareness about biodiversity issues while promoting children's learning. Overall, the data that we collected on this study is going to help us build in future an educational system that is able to adjust to children's abilities, cognitive skills, and knowledge. Thank you for your attention.